Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a get ready with me for Christmas Eve. I'm going to be back with an update video on my life. My life is a lot different now. I'll be back with more videos. Starting off with the Wet n Wild primer and setting spray and the coconut scent, and then going in with the Derma E Glow Oil. I believe it's the one in collaboration with Sun-Kissed Alba. I really like this for prepping my skin. Now using the Stila One Step Correct primer. I really like this primer. It helps to kind of cancel out some redness, and it really does make the foundation last. And then going in with my Givenchy Taunt Couture, I believe it is, and applying that with a BH Cosmetics foundation brush.
I'm feeling a little crazy inside. I'm feeling like
concealing with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm just working in sections because this concealer tends to dry out kind of fast. So I'm working in sections and I'm applying it a little bit under the eyes, on the forehead, a little bit on the nose, and on the chin. I'm using a Real Techniques brush. I love this brush for blending out concealer. I'm usually a sponge kind of girl, but I really like this brush. It blends it out really good. I'll have everything linked down below. Taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus translucent loose setting powder, and I'm using a puff to set under my eyes and all over. I really recommend using a puff. This one's from Amazon and I'll link it down below. A little bit of setting powder underneath my eyes and on the sides of my nose just to catch any fallout from the eyeshadow. And I'm going in with the James Charles palette from Morphe and taking that light brown shade and just messily kind of buffing it into the crease, connecting it to where like my contour bronzer is going to be on my nose, so make sure to get that area. Now I'm taking this darker brown shade and working that into the crease and just building it up little by little.
I mean, we could just go across the street to the park right here. Wait, hold up. My cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So what day did you say? Oh, yeah. Thursday's perfect, man.
Before we put on some glitter, I'm just gonna apply this kind of gold shimmer champagne shade from the same palette. Now taking the Pixie Liquid Fairy Lights glitter in the color Crystalline and just applying that to mainly like the center of the lid with a brush. Now taking the Urban Decay 24-Hour Glide On Pencil in a brown shade and using that to tightline my eyes before I go on with liquid eyeliner. Now just creating a thin wing with the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner. Now I'm just applying the NYX Milk Jumbo Pencil to my waterline. You can use any nude pencil or white pencil. I'm just using a brush because I didn't have a sharpener for this bigger size pencil. Now just applying my lash glue. I got this trick from It's My Ray Ray on YouTube. She applies her lash glue to her lid and really gets close with her false lashes to her natural lash, so I find that it's really easy. And then just taking some mascara and applying that as well. Now I'm just applying my lashes. These are from the Beauty Supply, but I have them linked down below. Taking the Maybelline Superstay foundation, powder foundation, I believe, and I'm using that just to add a little bit more coverage under my eyes and to brighten up. I'm using the Balm Photo Balm powder in a darker shade to bronze up the face, and I'm just applying that to the cheeks, the forehead, and the nose. I'm going to fill in my brows with the CoverGirl brow pencil and just lightly fill them in.
I mean, we could just go across the street to the park right here. Oh, yeah, hold up. My cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So what day did you say? Oh, yeah. Thursday's perfect, man. It feel like baby, I swear, it's like
I'm just checking for Amazon. Just making sure it wasn't Amazon. I'm applying the Almay Healthy Hue blush in the color So Peachy, one of my favorite blushes ever. I'm gonna apply some highlight to my nose using my finger. This highlight is from PYT Cosmetics. Now I'm just gonna line my lips with the KKW Beauty lip liner in, I believe, Nude 2. After I apply my lip liner, I just take my finger and I like to just kind of smudge it out so it's not so harsh. And then lastly, I'm applying the Colourpop Ultra Blotted Lip. I'll have the shade listed down below.